Hello, my name is Dr. Jyun Shimizu at the AIM Center for Natural Healing. Ravi, as CEO, came to my practice introducing his company in the practice, that how he could help my practice for the patient retention, how we could engage the patients, and for the marketing, how the patient is able to seamlessly use them. That time, I didn't have the opportunity to move on to their platform. A few months ago, he stopped by and asked me if I'm interested into pursuing to switch to different platform and using the DocHelp as a part of the integration of the patient's care. DocHelp intention was to increase the patient retention and able to seamlessly transfer the patient to come to the practice so that the doctor can engage to the patients very smoothly. So that means they reduce the time between me approaching to the patient and going over the intake form. Prior to that, we're able to access patient's information so that we're able to prepare. So really shorten the time, get to the patient's information. Also, DocHelp helps us practice the medical practice to email patients and contact patients for reminder for their appointments, and also help them facilitate the process for the patient to come to a practice easier. And all that means they're reducing their staff times, not just spending extra time. When DocHelp's platform allows patients to directly making appointments without having to call the office. So it means that, which in other terms, that they can access into a platform or the scheduling for 24/7, and that really cuts down the time efficiency, and the patient can schedule anytime they want to. And also, they help them if they need to cancel, reschedule. Instead of calling them, they can go into DocHelp's website and access into the platform to reschedule or cancel the appointment without talking to the staff time. So that's going to be very, very helpful for really to utilize my staff time more efficiently in your practice. DocHelp's platform allows us to reminder for the email, for the text messaging, any method to access to the patients smoothly, so then patient can get a reminder so that they are not able to miss the appointments. That really helps. Again, they're reducing the staff time, and the patients get reminded very efficiently. Yeah, I highly recommend DocHelp for their enthusiastic approach and also the really efficiency. So I highly recommend the DocHelp for save staff time, increase overall efficiency of the process, and less work for me, and more time that I can spend with the patient. I highly recommend the DocHelp.